Here on the screen we can see Google Translate. If you go up to the top here, you can see translate.google.com as the URL that will take you straight to Google Translate. And one of the great features about this app is that it can detect a language and it can translate a language immediately just based on the English. You can see here that it says detected. And all you have to do is go over to the other side and you can select what language you want it to translate. And as you can see, there are a variety of languages here. You can go with Vietnamese, you can go with Spanish, Arabic, we can even go with Italian. There's just about every language in the modern world is available via Google Translate. And if you see here, it detected English. If we go here, it will detect Spanish, and it will do the same thing if we want it to go the opposite way. We can go both ways. One cool thing about Google Translate is that it doesn't only do text, but you can do documents as well. If you want to browse your computer, or if you want to scan in a document through your phone, if you have the Google Translate app on your phone, it does a very good job of translating documents as well as pictures. This can be extremely useful in a classroom for students who English is their secondary language. You can quickly type in what you want to say here in English. And it can translate directly to, let's say, Spanish. So this assignment is number 2, would translate Spanish, and they could read that, or you could use the sound option to listen, and you could just click that sound icon there and it would play a sound bit for the student to listen to. You can suggest edits, you can share the translation to other students, you can star translations as favorites so that you can say things quickly, and you can also copy them to put them in different areas. Maybe you want to copy this and then throw it over here and have it translate back to English. And you can see that it's pretty much correct. Task number 2, assignment number 2, translates directly back. So Google Translate, an excellent way for students where their secondary language is not the primary language of the instructor to still be able to communicate with their peers and with their teacher as well.